Hey everyone, I'm Kate and I'm Product Development Manager here at Plus. And today I'm gonna walk you through one of our Scoops cups. This is a brand new product that we came out with in 2026. They just came out this past January and they are all different color mixes that are themed as ice cream flavors. And they all come in this really fun ice cream cup packaging. So you feel like you're actually opening ice cream when you open the packaging, which is really fun. One of the things that makes it even more realistic to actual ice cream packaging is that it has a really fun film on the top that says Scoops. It says Scoops right there on the top. I think that makes the experience even more lifelike and even more realistic when you're opening up Scoops. And there's some fun things on the side, like 100% recyclable, of course, always. And my favorite call out on the side is no freeze buildable fun, because this is about the only ice cream that you can play with that won't freeze and won't make your hands all sticky, and you can play with it again and again. So today I'm gonna walk you through our Scoops cup, our Rainbow Sherbet flavor. Should I say sherbet or sherbet? So today I'm gonna walk you through our flavor, Rainbow Sherbet. This makes it worse. Today, I'm gonna be using all the pieces in this Rainbow Sherbet scoop to make a bunch of different creations. So, let's get on started. Let's get it started and
Let's get it started.
It's also a maraca. All right, everybody quiet. It's time to open the Scoops cup. Ooh, that's nice. So when you first open your Scoops, after getting past the very satisfying film tear, you will see a little flyer that comes in the Scoops cup, and then all of your pieces. So in your Scoops cup, you'll find the flyer and 100 pieces, and the colors of the pieces are correlated to the flavors. So this one is Rainbow Sherbet, and let's take a walk through the colors. Satisfying. We just poured out all of our ice cream, so we're gonna set this off to the side. So let's see what colors we have included in the Rainbow Sherbet flavor. We have, most notably, I'd say, 3 of our newest colors for 2026, Sky, Lavender, and Papaya. And then we have pastel yellow, a lot of really fun soft colors, pastel green, and then we have pastel pink, which is our last color in here. But in every single Scoops cup, we also include pieces for a cone, so that would be camel, and also a couple red pieces for a cherry on top. Right here are all of the colors that come in Rainbow Sherbet Scoops. Let's walk through the flyer as well. On one side, we have instructions for 2 different types of cones. And then on this side, we have instructions for a popsicle. Each of the flyers comes with a QR code. And that QR code will take you directly to our app section of Scoops, where we have all the flavors and all the different builds in those actual colors. So if you want to build in your actual colors, you can head on over to our app. And better than that even, when you're done building your creation, you can upload your Scoops to the app directly. So you can upload a picture of your creation when you're done, and then you can share it with our Plus community over there. Also, if you're done playing with your Rainbow Sherbet or whatever flavor you get at first, there are also 3 other flavors to collect of Scoops. So you can also collect our Triple Berry Swirl, our Superhero, or our Birthday Cake flavor. These are the other 3 flavors besides Rainbow Sherbet. And you could create a whole ice cream store of your own with so many different types of flavors if you collect our entire Scoops collection. What's really fun about this packaging too is there's a little fake window at the top that'll show you the color mix that comes inside your Scoops flavor. Today, we are gonna be making the 2 different types of cones and the popsicle that's included in the instructions, as well as some bonus builds. My goal here today is to use every single one of these pieces and to not have a piece left. I'm even gonna use pieces from our little color key here. So let's get started. ASMR. So we're gonna follow the order of the flyer, and we're gonna go ahead and start with the more complex cone first. So this one's still really simple to build, but you'll see when we get to the next cone that it's even simpler than this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to put some pink as my first scoop. Here we have the start of our first cone. So as you can see, there is one scoop added so far, and these are really fun to make because especially if you have extra plus plus pieces at home, you can build a super tall scoop. I'd like to see how many you can make. I think my record's like 15 scoops, maybe 16. So see if you can beat me. So now, as fast as that, we have 2 scoops on our cone. So since we got the idea of how to do the scoops on the first cone here, I'm gonna put this build aside and we are going to make our second type of cone. Next, we are gonna switch to our second type of cone that's included in our instructions here. Ooh, still so many pieces, so many possibilities. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use my pastel yellow to make a cone for the second one. So our cone, I'll use some different colors that we haven't used before for the second cone here. See, all you do is make these little segments of plus plus right here with this cone and just slide it right on. See how easy that is? Look at that. And to add a scoop, I'm gonna add 2 pieces. Very easy, right on either side. I will do blue scoop. All right, let's stack it up. Whoa, look at that. It could just keep going on and on and on. We have 2 cones done now. As you can see, 2 different ways to make cones, but they both still work. So for our popsicle, I think I'm gonna go with a little bit of a cotton candy vibe, and I'm gonna use our sky blue and our pastel pink pieces to make this one. So the popsicle is really simple too. It's basically just making a bunch of segments over again. Wow. To make our popsicle, it's a lot of flat building. So I've made these 2 pieces right here, as well as these 2. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put all 4 together. Doing a little cotton candy vibe for this one. I love cotton candy popsicles. Those are super good. I have the top of the popsicle now, and to add a little piece at the top, just to round it out a little bit, we're gonna add one more sky up there, or any color that you have in your Scoops Cup. And then I'm gonna add one more at the bottom, just so we can go ahead and then add our camel piece as a stick. So there we have our little cotton candy flavored popsicle, my favorite. And we have our third build done for Scoops. Now, what are we gonna do with the rest of these pieces? Well, let's figure it out. Spinning tops are one of my favorite things to build out of plus plus. And if you have someone else with you that also has plus plus, you can have spinning top battles, which is even more fun. See which one can spin the longest, see who can knock each other off of a little arena. So let's get started and let's make a spinning top out of our Rainbow Sherbet colors. The first step to our spinning top here is we are going to build this shape flat. So it's a 3x3 grid, but you leave the middle piece out there because that is where we are going to put our little grip for the spinning top. So we're gonna slide a piece in just like that, as you can see. And now to make it a little bit easier to spin, I'm gonna go ahead and add one more piece here. And now we have a complete spinning top. It's as easy as that. And now let's see how it spins. Whoa, it's knocking the pieces everywhere, Jasmine. It's getting crazy. We'll do one more spin. Look at that. So fun. And it makes a really cool pattern to look at it from the top. And one thing Ryan actually pointed out last time we did it live is you can use your scoops lid as a fun little spinning top arena. So if you want to have a spinning top battle, you can do it in the lid itself, which just makes it even better. Now I'm going to go ahead and, this is a tough one. I have to figure out what to create next. I'm going to try to create some sort of snow cone out of the pieces. So I don't have white for like your classic snow cone holder. However, that doesn't matter because it's plus plus and we can use whatever colors we want. I'm going to use yellow as a little holder for our snow cone, and I'm just going to make an all purple snow cone. I've never tried to do this before, so I'm not sure how it'll turn out or how snow cone like it'll be, but we may as well try it out. So we are up to 5 different creations, and we still have pieces left over to build something. We're gonna build one of the easiest plus plus builds, which is a simple, colorful cow. I'm gonna go ahead and make a purple and orange cow. So it's just 3 pieces put together like this, and then we are gonna add a little cow head. Very abstract, very simple, and you can make so many of them. So here we go, we have build number 6. So now has come the time, I think I need to take our little color key apart just to give us some more pieces, because the challenge here is to use all of them. All of them. I'm not gonna leave out the ones that we put in the color key, no way. So now I'm gonna make, I think, a little fish. I think that would be really cute. So let's go ahead, what color will I use for the eyes? I think I will use our remaining camel piece so it pops out on all the colors. If you want to know how to make a small fish using 10 plus plus pieces, head on over to our app and you will find that in our 3D section. Now we are going to dive into the ocean and we are going to build a fish. I'm going to create like a rainbow fish almost. Ooh, it's coming together. Just like that. We have a little plus plus rainbow fish, again, made out of the colors that come in our Scoops Cup. So there's our rainbow fish. Creation number 6. One thing that I just thought of, that now that looking at these remaining colors, which we only have 10 pieces left. So let's see what we can make out of those. 100 pieces goes a long way. One thing that is one other really simple plus plus build that we do a lot here is a little flower garden patch. I think these colors would be perfect for that. And we're gonna add, since we're looking for something to do with the red, we'll make a rose in here. Now we have our little flower patch, so look at that. So I have 4 pieces left from our Scoops Cup, and I'm thinking about my favorite plus plus build that only uses 4 pieces, and that's another cow. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna make another cow for our cow friend here. They're gonna be the bestest friends in all the pastures. Wow, look at this, look at all we accomplished. That's pretty cool. So today, from just one Rainbow Sherbet Scoops Cup with just 100 pieces in it, we have made 2 different types of ice cream cones, one a little simpler, one a little more complex, a popsicle, a spinning top, a snow cone, a stack of cows, a rainbow fish, and a patch of flowers. How many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can just see how far 100 pieces can really take you. And if you just wanted to make ice cream, you could. You could keep stacking up this cone all the way up with the pieces you have, or make an even taller popsicle, or even make a whole ice cream stand with different flavors of popsicles and different flavors of ice cream. Learn to Build Ice Cream Shop has cones very similar to this. It comes with a little ice cream cart that has little popsicles and ice creams in it. It comes with pieces where you can make yourself or make an ice cream store worker, and lots of other fun things. So now I'm gonna go ahead and pack up all my Scoops builds in my Scoops Cup. We'll put our ice creams in. Plus Plus is such a great travel toy. This is yet again another fun way you can carry your Plus Plus. It's getting a little tight in here. We fit all of our builds in there. Look at that. Let's seal up our Scoops Cup again. We're gonna put the lid back on, and now all my builds are secure. They're not going anywhere. So the fun doesn't stop there. You can keep your packaging, you can use it to keep your builds safe, throw it in your backpack, throw it anywhere, throw it across the country, and happy building, happy almost summer.